Okay, we have a Haas EC400 horizontal machining center, serial number 2054258. Machine was new in 2013, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has 20 inches of X travel, 20 of Y, and 20 of Z. You have a 400 millimeter or 15 3/4 by 15 3/4 pallet. There are 2 pallets. Machine does have RENISHAW, whips, wireless intuitive probing system, rigid tapping. You have 1 degree index on those pallets. Right now he's moving the Y-axis, Z-axis. That's the other Y, the Z. There you go. That's your X-axis. You have way covers on all axes. That's your Y. Again, there's 1 degree index, but he's going to do a doing a pallet change. Here goes the merry-go-round. Machine's original paint, it's in nice condition. One more. All right, run the spindle. Spindle has 12,000 RPM, 30 horsepower, Cat 40. You also have a 70 position tool changer, or 70 tool. That's 2,500 RPM, going up. That's 5,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM. The machine also has a remote jog handle, through spindle coolant. We're going to do another one of those. One more. Okay. I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.